The final score 121-110. The Minnesota Timberwolves eliminated the Golden State Warriors in game number 5 semi-final round NBA Western Conference. Stephen Curry, Draymond Green, Jimmy Butler, Kevon Looney, and to all the members of the team, hey man, and to all the people behind the Golden State Warriors organization, it's only a few months and another season will begin. This early exit in the competition is an opportunity to all of you to rest and be with your families and loved ones, to spend together, perhaps on a vacation in a nice place like Boracay or Palawan in the Philippines. Just stay healthy and get back next season. There's so many basketball ahead of you. God bless. And to all basketball fans, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Comment, like, and share. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Is it the Wolves against the Thunders in the final? Let us see.